an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information.
They're sending it again. It's working now.
Potentially dangerous weather situations. The twin alert will be activated to warn of the impending danger. This test of the warning alarm is normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. However, if severe weather threatens the area near the test time, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm may vary at a given location. This variability will normally be more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, even though you're using a high-quality receiver. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for all of north central and northeastern Colorado.
If they tone it again, I swear.